welcome back my 50 subscribers. So I am here at Golden Gulch. I've been here since maybe 2017. Well, actually I lie. I've been here back 3 years ago when I did my first Thanksgiving camping solo. But this exact location further down the road, I've been here since 2017, 2018. So it's really nice to come back here. So without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and get my camp set up and then hang out until it gets dark so I can start cooking. So I'm walking around the nearby campsite. Found some wood I can use. So I'm gonna take this couple of this back to my camp spot. So I'm going to start off with boiling the noodles. So what about cooking today? I got two things. One is wings. And two is homemade pho. Since I made homemade pho like 3 years ago at the same camp spot here, I figured why not, since it's the same week that my first ever solo camping. So I got the noodles here. For the soup. Next, gonna add the favorite enhancer. You can find this at, Asian stores and whatnot. Next, gonna add bouillon, or whatever you call it. Alright, so the soup is done. I'll put them together with the noodle. Add some Hussein sauce. Then add the chili paste or chili sauce. Not bad. Not bad at all. Almost tastes like the real pho you get at the store. Well, fire is dying, so I'm going to go ahead and take some pictures. There's this here inside, put the fire here inside. So yeah. So I was taking picture, right, in the dark, and I saw a light to my left, and I was like, "What's that light? There should be anyone living here." But then when I came here, it wasn't a house or anything. It was the light from the city down there. Down there, it's a border. You can barely see it on the camera, but yeah, that's border down there. Kind of neat. There's lights way far in the distance. That's probably Denver up there. And right there is Boulder. Well, the clouds are moving in right now. Says like snow in the morning or so, something like that. But it is like 38 outside. If you're wondering what happened, I dropped it the first day I got it. So yeah. So only work on the inside. But if I leave it outside, it'll tell me. But right now it is 38. It's not too bad right now. Back inside, got my fan running and my body heater running. Fan running, I don't really need to have the heater on, man, because I didn't charge my generator when I was up here on the way, so I was charging it up before I go to sleep. Now I'm gonna shut off. And got the body heater with steam. Work on my pictures and just watching Netflix, Stranger Things. All good. Check it out. Big ass steak, not too bad. I'll post a link or a description right here where you can view the full picture on Instagram and Facebook. But yeah, not too bad. I like this one. Cool. So I asked ChatGPT to create a logo for me. So back in May, I made my own not LLC, but like a DBA, and the name is Asian Works. And what I do is I do like parting out and like towing cars and just flip cars too, but they usually just clap out cars. That's why it's just clap out auto works. So for auto sales, I have a mini dealership going on behind some shady alley, and then of course I do a little bit of towing on the side, and I do part out when I get Skylines G35 parts. And I was trying to get ChatGPT to make it silly like this, but could do it. Give me this and then give me a 300 ZX, which is close enough to this style, but I reached my limit, so can't do it until 24 hours, but it's getting there. But yeah, what do you guys think of my little side hustle or side business I'm doing? Clap out dealership, clap out towing, clap out part outs. Done with the pictures and did the logo for my side business, side hustle, I should say. So now it's gonna chill and watch Netflix. Well, I'll go ahead and show you here. I'll move my camera over there real quick. Alright, now I could go in my bed, relax, and start watching movies. But I got a new tablet. The tablet I was using before was a cheap Walmart tablet, really slow, and the speaker sucks on it. But I got a new tablet, so it's a Pixel Fold. Can't wait to watch Netflix on it for the first time with it. I'm loving this phone so far. I've been a big Sony guy. All my phone been Sony, but they recently stopped selling Sony phone on Amazon, and they're over like $1,500, $1,300, $1,500. I don't want to spend that much for the same price. I was buying the Pixel Fold and tablet, so I can just watch Netflix when I'm going camping like right now. So it's a no-brainer. The only thing I don't like about the Pixel is there's no headphones jack like the Sony, and no SD card support. But I could live with that. I mean, I wish I had the SD at least, but I could live without both of them. Yeah, time to go. Good night. Morning, guys. Pretty chilly out here. I start the van up and start making coffee. So I bought a new propane stove. This is more compact. Yeah, this is only a stove. I use propane or butane. So this morning I got scones. Well, it's the morning, and I decided to see how does Boulder look when it's not nighttime with the lights out. And you can't notice, you can't see anything out there. You just see like pretty much clouds. So when you're up here in the daytime, you can't really notice that there's Boulder down there, the city, until it gets dark. But it's right in between that tree, right in here. Kind of cool though. Currently it's 36 Fahrenheit outside. That was gonna be cold, dude. I thought it was gonna be snowing. I guess not. It's fine with me. So this guy just stopped randomly, just doing trailing for a day. He stopped and had a chit chat about the van overlanding, solar panel. So it's nice to see someone out here. It's just out of the blue. I'm gonna go ahead and change up clothes because usually it smells by now with the campfire. Bought this shirt online like last year. Well, it's near the end of the trail, so I'm gonna head to the second spot, but I'm going to end the video here and make it part 2 of the video. So if you guys like what you saw, the video, and like, subscribe, share, comment, whatnot. But then, see you guys next time.